Hi, I'm Doug with Mansfield Plumbing. Today I'm going to talk about a 2-bolt tank installation. After you have installed the toilet bowl to the floor flange, you will install the toilet tank. I am demonstrating the proper fit for a 2-bolt connection to ensure it is stable and you do not have any water leak between your tank and bowl. On a 2-bolt connection, there will be sanitary bars on the toilet bowl. These sanitary bars are a rail-type system with 2 bars parallel to each other. When the tank is drawn down against the front and back, it creates a China-to-China connection. This particular model I am installing today contains a red gasket, 2 rubber-headed SmartFasten bolts, and wing nylon nuts in the tank to bowl kit. We're going to use a 7/16 socket wrench. It's very important to use a socket wrench and not a nut driver or a crescent wrench. You just get better torque control with a socket wrench. The first thing you want to do is place the gasket onto the nut on the bottom of the tank. The fit will be snug. Next, feed the SmartFasten bolts through each hole on the bottom of the tank. They are designed with a rubber grommet to secure the bolt in place. At this point, place the tank in position on the bowl by aligning the SmartFasten bolts with the bowl mounting holes. Now, take the wing nylon nut and by hand thread it onto the bolt. The goal is to get it as finger tight as you can on both sides. Put a little pressure on the tank to get it a little tighter. As you can see, the tank is not fully secure to the bowl yet. This is when you will use your 7/16 6-point socket to progressively tighten the 2 bolts an additional 2 to 3 full turns or until the tank is snug against those sanitary bars. You will get to a point where you start to feel pressure on the nut at the connection. When that happens, stop and check both sides of the tank. Be careful not to over-tighten or you may round off hex on the nut or fracture the toilet. You should see the tank resting on the front rail and the back rail to ensure a seal-tight connection between the gasket and the bowl. From here you should connect your water. Turn it on and allow the tank to fill. If you do not see a leak or slow drip of water coming from the bolts or between the rails, you know you have a secure, watertight fit. If you do see water, use your socket wrench and give each bolt 1/4 turns at a time until the drip stops.